Hello student, I welcome you all for our next topic of your third unit, that is GSM system architecture. In the last lecture we have discussed GSM features and GSM services. Today we are going to discuss the GSM architecture. Your GSM system architecture, this is the detailed diagram of your GSM system architecture. In this diagram, basically your GSM system is categorized into 4 different categories. First one is your mobile station, second one is your base station subsystem, third one is your network subsystem, and last one is your operating subsystem, that is nothing but OSS. Okay, these are the 4 different categories that will be categorize your GSM system architecture. In your GSM system architecture, there is BTS and BSC, that is this BTS and BSC are part of the base station subsystem. SIM, that is SIM, and ME, ME means mobile equipment, these are the part of your mobile station. Okay. In the network subsystem, you have HLR, VLR, MSC, EIR, AUC. Okay. These all can be in the network subsystem, or we can say that network switching subsystem, which is represented by NSS, that is network switching subsystem. Okay. Each base station, that is your BSC, is made up of your base station subsystem. This base station subsystem is made up of base station controller and base station. Okay, and these are connected to the single MSC. These are, that is this BTS and BSCs are connected to the MSC, that is single MSC, that is mobile switching center. MSC is nothing but your mobile switching center. BTS means base station transmitter receiver, BSC means base station controller. Okay, this all is represented here, that is BSC is base station controller, BTS is base station trans receiver station, MSC is mobile service switching center. Okay. Each base station BSC has 100 of BTS, means this single BSC is connected with the 100 of BTS, that is bus trans receiver station base. Okay. It is connected to it. The BTS are controlled by the corresponding BSCs. These BTS are controlled by these corresponding BSCs. The BTS are connected to BSC either physically or microwave link or dedicated leased line. The interface between BTS and BSC is called ABIS interface, that is ABIS. The interface between this BTS and BSC is represented by ABIS, ABIS, that is ABIS interface. These are represented by ABIS interface. This interface is basically expected to carry the voice data and maintenance data, means these carry the voice data and maintenance data. The BSC are basically, these are BSCs. BSCs are physically connected to the MSCs. It is physically, these BSCs are physically connected to the MSCs. Okay, that is mobile switching center via leased line or microwave link. This interface is known as the A interface. The interface between BSC and MSC is called as a A interface. The NSS, that is network subsystem, that is your network subsystem, contains this network subsystem, your network subsystem. Basically in the architecture, your network subsystem, this network subsystem contains 3 different database called, it has different database like HLR. HLR is represented as home location register. If you see here, there is HLR. HLR means home location register. VLR is nothing but visitor location register, and AUC, that is this AUC is called as a authentication center. Okay, the HLR is a database containing, this HLR contains the subscriber information, means HLR means home location register, contains the information of subscriber and location information of each user who is staying in the same city or MSC. Means if the subscriber is in same city for long duration, then his information is in HLR, that is home location register. Okay, each subscriber is assigned to a unique international mobile subscriber identity, that is nothing but IMSI number, that is your handset is always has IMSI number, that is nothing but the international mobile subscriber identity, and this number will identify each user. Okay, VLR is nothing but is used to temporarily store the IMSI and customer information for each roaming subscriber. VLR means visitor location register, means if the subscriber from outside this subsystem, outside this architecture is coming to his coverage area, means if the user from different state is coming to the different state, if you are moving from one state to another state, then the information of that user is stored in the VLR. That means that database is stored in the visitor location register. AUC is basically is the strongly protected database. This is strongly protected database which takes care of authentication and handles the encryption keys for all the subscriber in HLR and VLR. Means it will handle all the encryption keys for the subscriber in HLR and VLR. The OSS, that is your OSS support one or more operation maintenance center, OMC. These will support different, means it has again here if you see, you can use here the OMC. Here you can have another block, that is OMC. OMC is nothing but your operation maintenance center. The OMC is used for monitoring and maintaining the performance of mobile station, base station controller and MSC used in your GSM system. This is nothing but your GSM system architecture. Your MSC is connected to the outside network like ISDN, PSTN, that is PSTN is nothing but your landline network, then your international network. Okay, these are all connected to the MSC. Means your MSC is the mobile switching center. This is the heart of your GSM system architecture. Your MSC is connected to your HLR, VLR, EIR, equipment identification register. Means this EIR means whenever the user, means equipment identification register will identify the user, mainly basically the user is from same system or it is the user from another system, means it will identify the equipment of each user. Okay, authentication is nothing but AUC is nothing but it will encrypt the information of HLR and VLR. Okay, then SIM is nothing but your subscriber identity model, mobile equipment. In your mobile equipment you have to insert an SIM, then your mobile handset or your mobile station is connected to the base station subsystem. The base station subsystem contains BTS and BSC. The BSC is connected with the hundreds of BTS, and this BSC is then connected to the MSC, that is mobile switching center. In your mobile switching center, all the billing, all the management, all the call handling, call forwarding, all the billing information, all the information related to the mobile handset or user is stored in your MSC, and your MSC is again connected to the landline or again different network, it is being connected to the MSC. That's all for today. We will discuss the next topic in your next lecture. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you very much.